They were fabulous, literally from the beginning to the end. Hi, I'm Shelley Hess living in Burbank, California, and I encountered foundation works by walking my dog one day and seeing the truck. Juan came out and explained that what I thought was a problem really wasn't. I had had other contractors come in for the original quote of what I had Juan come in to look at, and they told me all kinds of booba stories. I could have been taken for thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars and not even had my repair corrected. However, he brought to my attention, since I have a raised foundation on as my home, that I was not retrofitted for earthquake protection. And we got into learning all about what the EBB program was, which I had never heard of. They were fabulous, literally from the beginning to the end. And Juan was amazing. In fact, the whole company is amazing. And I highly recommend, if you want to protect your house from earthquake, deal with foundation works, get involved with the EBB program, and you won't regret it. I